First she closed the window. Now she's opening the window. Jordy, Jordy, Jordy. Turn this way. Open the window. Just want to know that you can do it, Jordan.
Maybe we close the window.
Close the window. Open, close. Open, close.
Open. Okay.
Now the window is open.
No.
Now Jason is zipping the window closed. It's closed.
It's closed.
Okay, bye-bye. Now go play with the toys.
Okay. I'm a bear. Look, you get my gift. Oh, yeah.
Hi, Jordan.
Pretty hair.
And open. And open. Use the zipper. Don't pull it. You'll pull the whole tent down, lady.
Whoa.
You have to move with the zipper, Jordan. Move with the zipper.
Whoa.
Go over that. No, pull it that way. Go ahead. Oh, zip.
Look, he brought the mattress down.
And that's our lesson for the day. Success.